what's going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing amazing. So to prove that I got the shortest guitar lessons on YouTube, this intro is over. Let's learn Iris in under 3 minutes. So we begin here in D major, but the beginning part does this sort of hangout on B minor. B minor, I play it with my thumb, and instead of this note right there, a couple times you're going to take it off and do the second fret. So it goes. Goes to a G major. Just picture it's the part where it's very chill, going like that on top of it. B minor, take that finger off to G like that. So check the link in the description for the chord charts right there, but it does this, thing a few times throughout the song, but the real parts go like this. The verse is D major, and I'd give up forever, E minor to touch you, G major, because I know B minor, A, G. Now I'll strum it. It does it again. D major, you're the closest. E minor, G, and I B minor, A, G. Then it does the same verse again, and all I can taste is this moment. I don't want to miss you tonight. It ends up back on that G again. So the same verse twice, and then it goes into the chorus. And the chorus are these chords: B minor, A, G, and does it 4 times in a row. Cause I B minor, A, G, when everything's made to be broken, G, I just B minor, A major, G, and then it does that B minor to G, kind of thing right there. And then it does a verse and a chorus again, and then in this bridge, it ends up right after that B minor hangout thing going like this, G to F sharp minor. When the guitar solo goes, G, up to B minor, does it again, G, F sharp minor, and then it goes to B minor. Lift up that finger a few times, you end up on B minor, it does that B minor to G, until finally it explodes one more time into that chorus. And I don't want the world to see me. That's B minor to A to G again. And everything's made to be broken, all that kind of stuff. I just want you to know who I am. And does that over and over again. B minor, A, G. I just want you to know who I am, over and over and over again, until it finally just fades out and hangs out on that B major. And that little key right there, if you want to add that to it, is on the 8th fret of the B string to the 10th fret of the E string, like that, and then back to the 8th fret of the B to the 7th fret. And if you play those over the B minor, it sounds really cool. It sounds like that little either mandolin or high-pitched guitar. Let me know what you think in the comments. I hope this was helpful. If it was, hit like and subscribe on the way out, and I'll catch you next time for some more super fast 3-minute guitar lessons. Later.